Check it out. Back from a brief hiatus, UPR's big block Ford motor mounts are back in stock. These motor mounts allow you to bolt a big block Ford to any 79 to 04 Mustang, which has the pushrod K-member, which is the 2005-79 part number UPR K-member, or a stock style K-member that has that's made for the pushrod motor. So basically this just goes right into the K-member. This bolts right into the side of the block, and this is a very robust heavy-duty steel motor mount which will take a lot of abuse, which is important because we probably all heard the boomer type people that are talking about there's no replacement for displacement. And yeah, I know coyotes are fast, Godzillas are fast, I hear you. But the fact is, big block Fords, especially with nitrous or boost, can be a really, really potent power plant. So if you want to put a big block Ford into your 79 to 04 Mustang, pick up these motor mounts. They're 3013-13. They're available at uprproducts.com or any UPR Products dealer.